I'm a businessman working in wastewater treatment, and I've been working very hard in cleaning the water of our country. Unfortunately, here in Mexico, we have only 40% of the water, wastewater, is treated. The rest, 60%, is dumped as it is. So I consider myself that had the duty to help on that end. So I decided to start about 4 or 5 years ago to do something about it. And I worked very hard for many months and years on visiting, knocking at the doors, but nothing happened. So last year's course helped me and taught me to say, hey, if you really want something, you have your idea and you put it on your heart and you really want it, all you have to do is put it into elevated motion and it will come back to you. So I started putting that on practice. I decided to stop visiting our customers, and all of a sudden I got a phone ring. Hey, we need you. So I said, well, it's working. I went, I had this meeting, this was about 2 months ago, and this is in Puebla, which is related to cleaning the river Atoyac, which crosses the city of Puebla and ends up in a dam, Valsequillo Dam. It's kind of lake. So the idea is that the governor wants to clean both the lake and the river. So since I was working on that project for many years, they decided to invite me over and use some of the technology that I offer. So I started very happy, putting back to work. They say, well, we don't have too much budget, but make your project as little as you can in order to start. So I put a very low profile project in order to make it happen. And I was very optimistic that it was going to happen. But about 2 weeks ago, I got a phone call and they told me, no, we don't have money enough, so we're gonna do just a small portion of it, which I knew it was not going to work. So I say, okay, let's come back and put this into elevated motion. That was on a Wednesday. Thursday morning, I got a phone call from a friend. He plays golf with me every Saturday. And he told me, hey, I know you're working in kind of green projects. And somebody, a friend of mine, called me and he has funding for green projects. I said, are you interested? And I say, yeah, why not? So he said, well, let's have a meeting. And he started telling me about this very hard to believe conditions for financing these kind of projects. Part of the money is free. So I decided to go talk to the Puebla people and say, well, you don't have money for the project. I do have it, so I'm here to offer the solution for this. So actually, they are very excited, and they decided to have a meeting this week in order to close the deal. And I say, no. I have the workshop in Cancun, so that's the other thing I learned. Myself is more important than anything. So I had to come here and finish my education on this and continue my path. I know that it's going to happen, and I know there's more rivers to come. That's for sure. But I know that if I don't love myself, I'm not going to be able to love everybody else or Earth, which is my task right now. So I am very grateful to be able to share this with you, because I hope this could inspire people and tell them this stuff works, and it's just a matter of putting passion, putting love, and we got the result. I was working on, as we say, third dimension. You push hard in order to get something. I finally decide, no, I want it with all my heart. My idea is going to be real. It's going to happen. So that was a big difference, because at the moment I say I'm going to put this into an upper level situation, upper universe, the field, whatever you want to call it, everything starts going the other direction. Now they call me. Actually, they are calling me to go to Puebla right now, and I'm not going until next week.